Good morning to my dear students. Today I will discuss class 5 maths for our revision for FA1 and FA2 exam. Multiplication and division, fraction by fraction. That means all of these numbers or multiplication fraction with the fraction. At first we should write here the numbers. 14 by 9, it is 3 by 21. 3 is a 9. 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. After that, this 3 and this 3. 4 and 14, both the numbers divisible by 2. 2 twos are 4 and 2 sevens are 14. After that, 7 and 21, both of these numbers divisible by 7. That's why it is 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. 1 ones are 1, here also 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So we should write here 1. So that 2 threes are 6. So it is 1 by 6. After that I will tell the next 5 by 9. If it is division on that time, it will be goes lower half will be goes as upper half and upper half will be goes as lower half. That means denominator will be goes as numerator and numerator will be goes as denominator. And also it is the same 2 by 15. 5 and 25, both of these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25. After that I will get the next. 3 threes are 9 and 3 twos are 6. 9 and 6, both the numbers divisible by 3. After that it is 4. 2 twos are 4 as a numerator and denominator 15 multiplied with 5 and multiplied with 5. If 15 multiplied with 5, that is 225. So we should write here 225. This one is the answer. Okay. If the division on that time, after division sign, it will be goes. The denominator will be goes as numerator and numerator will be goes as denominator. Also the same here, also the division sign on that time, it will be converted into a multiplication sign, and also it will be changed, that exchange their position, numerator and denominator. After that I will divisible or I will cut by division process. Compare the fractions. Suppose it is 3 by 7. Suppose it is 5 by 14. On that time, at first we should write like this. At first we will find out 7 and 14. LCM 14. Rough portion right over here. 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 4. So we should write here 7 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 2, that is also 14. So we should write here 14. LCM of these numbers are 14. So we should write over here 5 and 3 by 7. At first we can divide 14 by this denominator 7. So it is 2. So that we should multiply with 2 in the denominator and also the same numerator. After that we should divide this LCM divide by this denominator. It is 1. So we should multiply with 1 and also it is 1, because if we should multiply with 1 the denominator, also we should multiply with numerator. 3 twos are 6 and 2 sevens are 14. 5 is also 14. Both of these fractions are denominator as a 14. That means the like fraction. If it is like fraction, on that time, if numerator is the big, on that time this one will be the greatest number. 3 by 7 is greater than 5 by 14. It is a compare of fraction. Which one is big or which one is a greater and which one is a smaller. After that, I will tell you the Roman numbers. 1, 5, 10, 20, not necessary, 50, 100, 500 and 1000. If you should know about this symbol, on that time you should know how to write the Roman numerals. Okay, 1, that is just 1. This symbol will be goes as 5 as our system or Hindu Arabic number system. 10 will be goes as X. This one is the Roman numeral sign of 10. If it is 50, on that time it is L. Okay. If it is 100, on that time it is C. It is D and it is M. Suppose it is 1000 plus 500 plus 50, or it is 1550. On that time, that means thousands is at the place of thousands, we should write here M. After that 500, so we should write here as a 500 D and D. After that 50, so 50 will be goes as L. That means when we should edit the numbers, on that time we should write the smaller number just right of the bigger number. Okay. If we should subtract the numbers, suppose it is 100 minus 50. On that time we should write here 1000 minus 50. That means thousands means it is M, so we should write here M. If it is subtract the number, smaller number we should subtract. On that time we should write just left of the bigger number. That is 50. That means L, so we should write here L. Suppose it is 40. That means 50 minus 10. 50. That means L, so we should write here L. After that we should subtract number. If we should subtract the number or subtract the smaller number, on that time we should write in just left of the bigger number. 10 means X, so that the 40 is equals to XL. These are all about the Roman numerals, so you should revise it very carefully. Okay, thank you my dear students, thank you for watching. Very carefully you should revise your lesson for your exam will come soon. Okay, thank you my dear students.